Digital marketing for physical books. Does it really work? Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. How do you apply digital marketing skills to selling books? Using the skills I've learned as a digital marketer, I'm relaunching one of my books. I've published 8 books since 2015. Although sales are steady, they are nothing spectacular. Using ClickFunnels 2.0, I'm setting up a new website for one of my books, along with a sales funnel to generate revenue with the following value ladder. The 360-page paperback will be offered free. You just pay a small shipping and handling fee. I will lose money on this alone since my printing and shipping costs are not covered by the shipping and handling fee. In fact, shipping won't even be fully covered to some places. The first upsell in the value ladder will be the audiobook for immediate delivery, and I will throw in the ebook as well for free. This will move me to a profit picture for this funnel, and of course I will have gathered the email address of my buyer for downstream marketing efforts. Hey, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Like this video, share it, and oh yeah, click the little bell so you're notified when I post again. Now back to the book funnel. The second upsell in the sales funnel will be a chance to get the hardcover book in place of the paperback with a personalized signature. Yes, I will sign and personalize every one of these sold. Though there is work on my part to sign and personalize each of these in-stock hardcover books, the time is not significant and this will be done at a profit. The next opportunity to add value in the sales funnel will be with related merchandise. If a customer gets to my funnel page and they decide not to buy the book, on the way out, I'll give them a chance to get a free download of the ebook, Appalachian Trail Myths, the Oogaloo and Pomola, in exchange for their email address, of course. This book contains 2 original pieces of Native American mythology based in the Appalachian Mountains. I will continue to market to them in emails in the hopes of bringing them back into a sales funnel in the future. I have a very distinctive brand and logo that goes with this book, and I've put that logo on hats, t-shirts, a hoodie, a water bottle, coffee cup, and a medallion for a hiking staff. You see, this first book is about my 1999 2,100-mile through hike of the Appalachian Trail. All of this merchandise will be available on the website itself in an online store managed by ClickFunnels 2.0, but the upsells in the sales funnel will likely result in the majority of the merchandise sales, not the actual store. The blog that I created on my original website will be moved over to this site as part of the Funnel Hub concept in ClickFunnels, along with book reviews and, of course, the merchandise store. This new site should be ready to go online in the next month or so, and it will be very interesting to see how sales do compared to today, where I have a standard website, run ads to my book on Amazon and iTunes, and don't really offer any sort of sales experience. People buy the book. I don't know who they are, so I can't market to them. And of course, they don't have the opportunity to immediately purchase my merchandise. Yes, I do run a book funnel for a portion of my ad budget, where I collect emails in exchange for a lead magnet, in this case, the aforementioned mythology ebook. But this has never been as successful as simply sending people to Amazon or iTunes directly as far as costs of sales is concerned. This is the difference between real digital marketing and just publishing a book and running ads to sell it. Once I fine-tune this sales model, I'll repeat it with my other books with some twists, as most of these are parts of 2 different book series. The upsells will be discounts on the complete series, as well as merchandise and audiobooks. I'm interested in your comments on this strategy, so please let me know below. A link to a free trial of ClickFunnels is in the description, along with additional information on how you can learn to be an effective digital marketer as well. That's it for today. Until next time, life is good.